Hello everyone, my name is Adam, technician here at Bob Ruth Ford. Common question you may be asking yourself if you happen to see your tire light come on, or if when you're in for service we happen to notice that there is something in your tire, is my tire repairable, and what that means. So there's a couple of different things when it comes to tire repairs. So it depends on the size of the puncture in the tire. So if it's too large, that's something that we typically wouldn't repair. Also, we have here on the tire is if it's in the last tread groove of the tire, which means if it's anywhere in this area here, typically that is something we wouldn't be able to repair because we have to have a nice flat surface for the patch to adhere to the tire. That way you're not having any flex from the sidewall that could cause it to come loose. What the tire patch looks like is a patch that looks like this. So you have a plug that goes through the actual tire itself where the puncture was, and then you have the bottom part that seals off the hole that is in the tire. So whenever we patch that is something that is a permanent repair for the life of that tire. So you won't have to worry about anything in the future unless you may get something else in that tire that at that point in time it would be non-repairable as well. So one patch is good. You can keep that for the life of that tire, and it's good even if the tire is brand new. It still will be good until that tire is no longer good any longer. So if you happen to notice your tire light come on, or you notice one of the tires may look a little low, don't hesitate to call us or schedule an online appointment today.